So now let's work on update profile picture, right? So let's do that. So it's quite easy, right? So we will go to profile, right? And maybe we will copy a little button. Maybe we can go to sign in screen and we can copy the button, right? Control C, and I will go to again profile, and where should we show this button? Maybe uh, below this pic, maybe. Yeah, maybe, or maybe after this image, right? Let's say in here. Yeah, after this image tag, let's give this little tab, and we can, for now we can get rid of this, and instead here I can write up update. Let's save this and let's see how this button looks like. I will get rid of this on click. So we have this in here. Maybe I can remove this button from here, Control X, and I will paste when this div ends, right? Yeah, maybe here. No, in here this is the space for gallery. Let's try to see how this looks like. Let's say this. We have this update in here. Pick. It should be above this line, right? Maybe I can create another div in here. And inside this div, I can grab this ending tag, Control X, and I will put this ending tag in here after this button ends. Control V, like so. And I'll open this style. Instead I will copy this whole style, Control C, and I will give this to this div, and I will get rid of this flex and this stuff from in here, and I will get rid of these two lines from in here. Okay, let's save this and let's see how now it looks like. Okay, now we have this in here, right? Okay, so we can give this little margin, then the issue will get solved, right? Let's try. Margin, we can give the margin from the left side, maybe from left and little bit from the top and bottom. Yeah, so margin maybe 10 pixel from top and 0 pixel from right, and 20, maybe 10 pixel from bottom, and 30 pixel from right, from left. I can increase this little bit, maybe 44, 45, and let me see if this is responsive. Yep, yeah, it is, right? Okay, so I can copy this, Control C, right? And let's give this a style to this, right? Like so. Okay, so enough of the styling. Now let's work on the actual functionality. So in here I will be adding on click, and this will fire a function to you, let's say update phot of photo. So we will create this update photo, Control C, maybe here const, Control V, and let's copy the logic of that. Maybe I can go to sign up and let's copy this image uploading logic, Control C, and where is our uh, profile. Oh, I can paste it in here. We need to make this button a file, right? Yeah, we cannot use this regular button. Yeah, we need to go to sign up. Instead, in here we need to copy this button, right? Yeah, this button instead. Control C, and because we need this input, right? Okay, and I will again go to profile. I will put this button after this, right? Let's save this. Have you forgot some tag? Oh, so we need to write all this stuff, image and set image. Let's go to again on sign up, and let's copy that stuff as well. I will make this to empty. Let's save this. And yep. Okay. So I'll add the styles to maybe this, or I can add just little padding, right? Okay. So I will go to, I can get rid of this button, right? This update pic. Instead, up update, and let's save this, and let's try to add little style to this now. Inspect. We need to add the style to this whole input, right? Margin 10 pixel. Yeah, this is perfect. Okay, so style, okay. So yeah, it is working, right? So uh, we are calling on change, we are calling this set image, right? And we should add a little button, right? Or maybe we don't need to add a button. Maybe instead of set image, I'll call this update photo, right? Control C, and I can call Control V, update. Now this time I'll be receiving in this update a file, right? File, file, right? And we need to call set image in here, set image, and I can write pass the file in here. Okay, yeah, we can do this way also, right? Now maybe when this operation finishes, then we should call this function, fire this function. So I'll be making use of use effect for that. And in this append option, I can pass image like so, and I can copy this all the logic, Control X, and I can put this. Now first of all, I'll be writing if image exists, right? Then you should do this. Okay, this should work, right? This is amazing. Okay, yep. So when we are so we are updating our state, right? So first let's console.log the data if the image is successfully got. Console.log data. Okay, let's try this, right? And yep, we should try this. We will go to console. I will be clicking on this update, and I will select a user, maybe this user, right? And I will wait for response. Okay, we are getting a response. Okay, amazing. So we are getting a response with URL. And now what we can do, we can update our state, right? We can update our state which is present in this, right, which is here, right? We can update our state and we can add override this value to which we are getting, and we should update in the local storage as well, right? So we need to do stuff when we are getting a response, right? So let me find that use effect. Where is that? Yeah, this one. So first of all, I'll be pushing this changes to local storage, and local storage dot set item, yeah, and with it has a user key, right? And I need to JSON stringify that. No, wait, hold on. We don't have the user details. We are just getting here the URL, and we want to just update the URL in this local storage. So do we have access to the state? Yeah, we have access to the state. Okay, I can do that now. Okay, so what we can do is we can use JSON dot stringify, right? And in this stringify I can spread state, right? And I can add the pick. I can override this pick with this data dot URL, like so. And this JSON stringify should be inside an object, right? Like so. So we are spreading state. Let's see if this is an object, right? So yeah, this is state is an object, right? So we are spreading this state, all the state, and we are overwriting this pick which we are receiving, right? So this should update our local storage. Now we should we should dispatch dispatch an action with type of updat update pick, and with payload of data dot URL. So I can send this URL in my payload, the URL of the image. Now let's go to our reducer. Where is the reducer? Yep, and here we can add one more type. If update user, let me go to profile and update pick, control C. If the type is update pick, then we can return first again we need to spread the previous state state, and now we can override this pick with payload dot pick. Let me see that again. Profile payload has, oh, we can update just by action dot payload, right? Okay, we can write here just action action dot payload, like so. Okay, so this should update our state as well, right? So now let's try to upload one more time, right? So let's open this component, right? And let's click in here and let's wait for this value URL to change, right? So I'll be clicking on this update, right? And I will click on this. I will again add this profile. Okay, cannot read length of undefined. Where is this length? Let's refresh this first, and now we should see the profile has got updated, because now this time central state has updated. Let me see the length. What was the length? Let me go to profile. What was the length this is talking about? Why we got the error? Why we got the error? Where is the length? Control F, LEN. Okay, is this the length? But the length is of this is 0, right? If this is why this is complaining, right? This is the length of this is 0, right? Initially, if the data changes, then length will increase, and if this state is available, everything is correct. I don't know why it is showing us an error, because we have only 3 lengths in here. Okay, let's try this one more time and let's figure the error. Let's upload another picture, let's say this user, and we are getting error. Let's have a look in this follower h6, and I don't know why this is complaining, but here we can write state dot followers is available. Then to show the length, here I can write state dot following is available, then show this length of that. Let's try this, and now we should not get any error. Cannot read property followers of null. I will refresh this and I will try this one more time. Followers of null. Don't we have that in our state? I will get rid of this. Let's save this first. Let's have a look on our state again. We have followers and following. Then why it is complaining? What I will do, I will console.log the state. Because yeah, I will do console.log state. Yeah, we are doing it. Let's have a look in here on the console. So in console we have array, then why it is complaining? I will try to do this one more time. Yeah, and update. Let's wait for response. Okay, cannot read property length. Oh, this follower and unfollowing is undefined for some reason. I don't know the why it is undefined, but I can fix this by, there's one more mistake here. I have written a single equal to while updating, and I am wondering that how everything went correctly. But make sure you have written a double equal to. No, this will not solve our error because we are making this action. Okay, so let's go to again to profile, and in here, if state dot follower is not equal to undefined, this should solve the error, right? If state dot follower, not follower, for following is not equal to undefined, and this should solve the error, I guess. I can get rid of this error by reloading the page. I don't know why I'm getting this. Now, if you know that reason for that, let me know in the comment section maybe, or in the discussion section. I don't know the reason for that. Whenever we are getting a response, yeah, and here I can reload the page. I can use window dot location dot reload. Right, okay, let's save this and we will try this one more time, right? Update pic, and okay, so page reloads, and this fixed the issue, but we should not reload the page, but the error is not getting solved without reloading, and I don't know the exact reason for that. Okay, sometimes things break in the programming, and we know that we don't know the exact reason for that, and that's the truth. That's the truth. In this state we have empty followers. I don't know why it was not working. Okay, but we have made these changes temporarily. These details are not persisting to database. We are not persisting this data to database. So we will do that. We will persist this image to database maybe in the next video. So I'll see you guys in the next video.